Locked out by a dead battery? No problem. Your VW key fob has a hidden emergency key designed for just this situation. First, locate the release button on the side of your fob. Slide it to expose the mechanical key blade. Now, insert the key into the designated notch or slot on the fob's housing, usually at the top or bottom. Twist the key 90 to 180 degrees, either clockwise or counterclockwise depending on your model, while gently pulling. This will release the internal latches and pop the case open, granting you access to the battery compartment. This design, standard in VW models from the 2000s onward, ensures you're not stranded by a dead fob battery. Once the case is open, carefully separate the two plastic halves, noting the position of any rubber seals for reassembly. The battery, typically a 3-volt CR2032, will now be visible. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the correct orientation. The plus side should face upwards, towards the circuit board. Align the two halves of the fob, press them firmly together until they click securely, and slide the emergency key back into place. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. If the case is stubborn, apply gentle pressure with a flat tool at the seam, but avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Remember to use VW recommended batteries or high-quality generics to prevent corrosion and ensure reliable performance.